Hey my beauties, welcome back to Wendy's World. So I want to show you this mascara that I just purchased online. I got it through Facebook and you might be seeing the ads too. And it's for this mascara and it's called WowCombo. Here it is. Now I purchased two of them, so I'm going to show you the other package, or that is the new package. There's the new package, and so I got two mascaras, and this package says on the front, my amazing lashes. So let's see if that's actually true. So I'm going to read you a little bit about WowCombo Mascara, and this is how we give. For every WowCombo purchase, we plant one mangrove tree in partnership with Eden Reforestation Projects, California, USA. That's actually impressive. So, just to tell you how much this mascara cost me, it actually cost me a little over $31 for the both. So that's around over $15 per tube. So actually that's pretty good. Now I have been using this one, the WowCombo, and I just opened up the new one, and the reason why is I want to show you a fresh one and what it looks like. So as you know, I am in my 50s and I noticed that my eyelashes aren't as full and long as they used to be when I was younger. But also the other thing is I'm Asian. If you're Asian, you might have this experience too, and that is we have beautiful, thick black hair, but we don't have long eyelashes. I know, you know, that really annoys me, and I have all kinds of choice words for that, but it is what it is, and you do the best with what you have. So I'm not the kind of person who likes to get extensions because A, I think they cost too much, and B, they ruin your eyelashes. So I am going to try this mascara in front of you, and I'm going to show you my eyelashes now. They have absolutely no mascara on them whatsoever. So I'm going to come up close to the camera. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, no mascara. So, and what I like to do is I like to try to coat the wand with as much mascara as possible. I don't actually pump it and put air into the tube. So there we go. It looks pretty good so far. Really hard to tell, but I actually like the wand, and the reason is I like that it's thick and it has all these, and I also like this part too. It's easy to hold. Okay, I'm gonna coat a little bit more. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to coat as much as I can. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So that's only one coat. Pretty good. And what I like about this mascara, it goes on. It's not clumpy. You can see it's pretty smooth. It's not clumpy. Let's do another coat. It's really great mascara. I mean, for 15 bucks. See that? Okay, now I'm going to do, actually I'm not going to do the other side, I'm just going to do this side so that you can see the comparison. And do another coat. Very good. I love this mascara. I really do. I mean, look what it can do for my little eyelashes. Imagine what it can do for you. Beautiful. Isn't that great? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for it to dry, and I'll show to you if it smudges. I'll be right back. So I want to say I noticed quite a difference between my older tube and this new tube. And older as in probably have had it for about, I would say, 6 weeks now. And with the new tube, it doesn't clump. So I guess with anything, as it gets older and the formula is drier or it dries out, it starts to clump. So you can see my lashes aren't clumping, and that's very nice. You can see the length is wonderful and goes on easily. And you can see my individual lashes as opposed to clumping. Beautiful. Now, I'm gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, so I'm back. So I've given it a few minutes, and also I applied a few coats on my right side. And the reason why I did that is because I have to actually take pictures for a thumbnail. So I'm going to be taking off this makeup, and I don't want to reapply it all over again. So I am going to do the smudge test. Doesn't look like there's any smudging. That's good, it's passed that test. And it feels good on my eyelashes, and it doesn't sting my eyes. And I actually can wear it all day, and it doesn't clump, or it doesn't flake. You know how some mascaras flake during the day? So yes, this is a good mascara. Now I'm going to take this mascara off, and I'm going to show you how easy or how difficult it is to remove it. Now, as I read from the instructions earlier, it says use warm water and use downward motion, circular motions to remove it. So I'm going to do that now. Hold on. Some water, and I put it in a little cup, and well, it's actually a shot glass. And at one point in time, I actually was a visitor to Vancouver. Now you know I've moved to Vancouver, but every time I visit a country or a city, I like to buy a new shot glass. So I'm going to not use a washcloth. I don't know how many people would love to ruin a washcloth by washing off your mascara. That's not what I'm going to do here. And instead, I'm going to use a makeup removing pad. So I'm going to dip it into the water, and let's see how easy it is to remove. Like I said, it's easy. Let's see how easy it is. So they say you have to wait a little bit to warm up the formula, and then it's easy to remove. Now, because you can remove it by water, it's not waterproof, which actually I feel is better. I don't like waterproof mascaras, and the reason is it's harder to remove. So you can see I've warmed up the formula, and there you go. It's actually pretty easy to remove. So what I do is I warm up the formula, and there you go. Then I'll take another cotton pad, hold on one second, and to remove the rest of it, I don't like to tug at my skin, especially under the eyes. I'm using Garnier Micellar water to remove it, and this removes makeup and cleanses and soothes and no rinsing. So I do really like this formula. So there you go. There you go. So that's pretty easy to remove. So they are right, and it's fully removed. There you have it. Fantastic mascara, and so reasonable. So I really love this mascara, WowCombo. If you get it, you'll be really happy and pleased that you got it. I know we've tried all kinds of mascaras, but actually this one works. Thank you so much for joining me in Wendy's World, and I will see you next time. Bye.